Hello children, welcome back to Max Meet Easy. Let's continue with number system, rational numbers, exercise 2a, part 12. Here is our 12th question. Find x such that we have to find the value of x in this rational numbers. Here minus 2 by 3 is a rational number and 6 by x is a rational number. So here we need to find the denominator, that is what is the x value, right? So here to solve this problem, you can solve it in two methods. First problem I will teach in one method and the second method will be taught in the second question. And we are going to learn in an alternate manner so that you can choose whichever is easy for you. You can choose that model along with verification. In exam, this verification will be very helpful for you. So let's learn the first method now. In first method, we are going to do the cross multiplication. Cross multiplication means the denominator part of the second rational number should be multiplied with the numerator of the first uh, rational number. So that means 2 into x, that is minus 2 into x. Here x is in between this numerator and denominator. That means you can consider this minus in the numerator. So it should be 2 into x, that is minus 2 into x. So it becomes minus 2x, right? I hope you understand how I am multiplying x into minus 2 because x minus is in the middle center. So it should be considered as a numerator. It should be considered in a numerator. So I am writing this minus 2x is equal to, now you have to multiply 3 into 6, that is 18, right? Here it is plus, minus should be placed in this numerator, that is minus 2, right? So now we need to find the value of x, right? This value. So keep the x as it is and get the minus 12 on the other side. So it becomes division because there is multiplication between these two, right? 2 into x. So whenever you are getting it on the either side of the equal to, it becomes division. Multiplication becomes division. That's why I have written minus 2 in the denominator, right? Now 2 ones are 2 nines will be 18. So what is x value? Minus 9. X value will be minus 9, not plus 9, because minus is in the denominator. Don't forget to get this minus from denominator to the numerator and x becomes minus 9. Now in exam, how do you check whether our answer is correct or not? So let's learn verification, right? So this is the question. Just substitute x is equal to minus 9. So in this place you need to place 9, minus 9. So when you place minus 9 over here, now you can just divide it. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Yes, we got the answer. See, we got the same answer. Both the sides are equal, right? Left hand side part is equal to the RHS, that is right hand part. Minus 2 by x, and here minus is in the denominator, so you can even place that in a numerator. So it becomes minus 2 by 3. I hope you understood this. Let's learn the second method, another method to find the value of x. Here it is. Minus of 9 by 4 is equal to x by 8. Without confusing, just consider this minus in the numerator, that is minus 7. Consider it as minus 7. So here, what is the denominator part? It is 8, right? So here you have to equate this 4 into 8. Because here it is 8, you need to change this into 8. With which number if you multiply, you will get 8. 4 into 8. 4 will change into 8. That is 4 should be multiplied with 4 twos are 8, right? So 4 should be multiplied with 2. So when you are multiplying the denominator with 2, even the numerator, that is 7, should be multiplied with 2. So minus 7 into 2 by 4 multiply with 2 is equal to x by 8. So just multiply it inside, plus into minus, minus 7 twos are 14, 4 into 2, 8 is equal to x by 8. Right, see here, denominator is equal now. So what is the value of x? Just consider this part. Because it is 8, so what is x value? X value is minus 14. Right? So we have found the x value, that is minus 14, and even here you can do the verification in the exam to check whether your answer is correct or not. So this is the question. Just substitute x is equal to minus 14 over here, that is minus of 7 by 4 is equal to minus 14 by 8, right? So here you can just cancel this, that has just 2 fours are 8, 2 sevens are 14. See, we got minus 7 by 4 on the both the sides. Minus 7 by 4, it should be same, minus 7 by 4, minus 7 by 4. Even you have to check whether this minus is equivalent or not. If one side is plus, then you have made some mistake in this problem. So make sure that minus, you get minus on both the sides, or you should not get minus on both the sides. Both sides should be exactly equal. Here is our third question. We are going to solve this problem in cross multiplication method. So first we need to do the cross multiplication, that is 3 into minus 35 plus into minus minus 35 into 3 will be 105 is equal to, because there is equal to in between, just place a equal to and multiply 7 into x. That becomes is equal to 7 into x is 7x, right? Here it is multiplication sign between them, 7 into x, right? So multiplication becomes division when it gets on to the either side of the equal to. Because we need to find the x value, we need to make this x alone on the equal to. One side of the equal to, x should be alone. So for that reason we are getting this 7 on the either side and it becomes division, right? So here x value is 15. 7 ones are 7 15s are 105. So minus 15 will be the x value. And in exam you can do the verification method. So just substitute minus 15 in place of x. So here you can just remove this minus, minus gets cancelled, and here 5 threes are 15, 5 sevens are 35. It gets cancelled in 5 table. So see the numerator is left hand side is equal to right hand side, that is 3 by 7, 3 by 7. Hence our answer of minus 15 is correct. Our fourth question, let's solve this by using a multiplication method. Here, because it is 6, you should consider the denominator has 1. Is it clear? Because they have given only integer, that is 6. We are going to change this into rational number. So in denominator you can place 1. And now to make the 6 into 48 minus 48, you have to make this 6 into minus 48. With which number you should multiply? You should multiply with minus 8. Right? 6 8s are 48. Minus is here. So plus into minus, minus 48. In order to make the 6 into 48, we should multiply it with minus 8, because minus 48 is over here. That's why I'm multiplying it with minus 8. Because you are multiplying it with minus 8 in the numerator, you have to multiply the same with a denominator, that is minus 8. Then what you get is plus into minus minus, 6 eights are 48, plus into minus minus, 8 ones are 8. So what is the x value? X value is minus 8. Here, x value is minus 8. And you can verify your answer by substituting this minus 8 in place of x. I have just substituted minus 8 over here, and now you can just cancel it. Minus minus gets cancelled, so it becomes plus. 8 ones are 8 six are 48. So see, 6 by 1, 6 by 1, both are equal. So our next problem, we will solve it in a cross multiplication method. Even here, because it is an integer, you have to change this integer into a rational number. So it becomes 3 by 1. In denominator, you can place just 1. And now you can just cross multiply it. 36 into 1 is 36. X into 3 is 3x. Sorry children, it's not plus, it's not minus, it's plus 3x. Because see, x is also having a positive, 3 is also positive. Plus into plus is plus. So it's plus 3x. So we need to find the value of x. So get this 3 on the either side. Because it is 3 into x. When it comes on the other side of the equal to, it becomes division. That is 36 divided by 3 is equal to x. So 3 ones are 3 twelves are 36. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Right? So x value is 12. And even the same for the verification, you can just substitute x is equal to 12 in place of x over here. So now you can just divide it. 12 ones are 12 threes are 36, right? So see here, left hand side is equal to right hand side. 3 by 1, 3 by 1, right? Let's move on to the sixth question. Even here it is 9 is an integer because we are fine. This one is in the rational number. You have to change this integer into rational number by placing a 1 in the denominator. And now you have to multiply this 9 with which number to make this into minus 27. So you have to multiply it with minus 3. This 9 should be multiplied with minus 3 to make this 9 into minus 27. Say I'm multiplying this minus 3 with numerator as well as denominator. I'm just multiplying it. Minus 27 by 7 plus into minus minus, 9 threes are 27, plus into minus minus, 3 ones are 3. Right? So what is the x value? Here it is. X is equal to minus 3. X is equal to minus 3. Just substitute the x value in place of x. So I'm just placing the minus 3 in the place of x, and here minus minus gets cancelled. 3 ones are 3 nines are 27. So 9 by 1. You get it on the left hand side. Now 9 by 1, 9 by 1, both sides are equal. Right? I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and hit the bell button. Check the description box for rational numbers. Thanks for watching.